Hello and welcome on to this tutorial. My name is Peter, and on today's tutorial we're just going to see how we can be able to create a referral coupon code. This code will just be created once the customer have managed to purchase a product that has been selected on to have the coupon code. This is how it's going to look like. Once you open the single product page, customer will see this notice. This product has a referral coupon code. You can be able to adjust this code, this text here. And so once customer finish to purchase the product, customer will have this coupon code, which is adjustable. And on click on this, customer can be able to copy the coupon code and use it on where they want it. They also get this. They get 15%. I feel that to get the number, the percentage discount that has been offered for the for this coupon code, and to also show on the expiry date for the coupon code. The other thing about this one is that everything is adjustable, and I'm going to show you how you're going to do it. So on my previous tutorial, I did a tutorial about this same topic, but on my previous tutorial what happened was we were using product ID, but on today's tutorial we're just going to use a checkbox. That's the tutorial for today, and without further ado, let's just get into action and I show you how. So the first thing you just need to do, we need to head over to the dashboard, and on the dashboard menu we need to install a plugin that will be able to facilitate for us to be able to add the coupon code. So hover on the button for the plugin. On hover on it, you have these three options. Select the second option because you're going to install or add a new function. We're just going to install a new plugin that will be able to facilitate for us to be able to add the code snippet. If you are aware of how you can be able to use a function.php, you can add the code, but this is the easiest way for me and safe way. So I search for code snippet. Here we have it. There are so many other options you can consider checking if you are comfortable with them, but the one I'm going to use code snippet from Code Snippet Pro. You can see 800,000 active installation, and I've already installed and activated it on my website. You can see it's already active. Once you have been able to install and activate the plugin on the dashboard menu, now here we have the button for the snippet. Hover on it and select add new, because you're going to add a new snippet. So once you've done that, I'll include the link on the description where you can get the code. Here you have done it. The one you're going to use is the one that will offer us copy paste function. So just scroll down here and just click on this button here, this small icon here. It will just help you copy without missing even a comma and all that. So just copy on that and just paste it. So here we have our code, and first of all we just forgot to add our name. So let me say coupon. Just give a name that you'll be able to understand so easily. Coupon copy paste, because it's a copy paste functionality. So how the code it look like, it has a checkbox, and you save the checkbox. It also have an input field. The input field would get this number, this one, and this one that has been added. So this is the input field that we just also display here. And the other thing from the code is that it has some CSS, which is very adjustable. You can consider changing everything from here. So the style.css, but I have included it in the code. You can check on them. We have the display notice, and we have now the functionality that we are going to add the referral coupon code. The other thing is that on line 118, we've just copied the code where it is. In line 118, we have just limited the coupon code to be used once. If you want to adjust on how many times it can be used, adjust here. The other thing, if you want the coupon code to be used unlimited, you can maybe add here maybe 1,000 times, or just remove these two lines here and you save. The other thing is the JavaScript. I've included some JavaScript on that. The JavaScript will just help you when the customer just click on this name here, the coupon code is copied and customer can maybe paste it somewhere or maybe share on their friends. The other thing is that you can be able to adjust how many days you want the coupon code to be valid. So I have also included on that. Let me just, here we have it on line 114. Here we have how many days the coupon code will be active. So for now we're just going to use that days. Let me just save and activate this code here. So once you've done it, we need to head over to a single product page. So I need to head over to my dashboard so that we can be able to add the functions. I don't know why it's hanging. So let me just edit this product. So I edit the product. You need to head over to the product edit page. Here we have the product edit page. You can use the product, select the all product and select the product you want to edit, or maybe when you're adding a new product. So here we have it. So you need to check on the checkbox so that the function can be. The other thing is now we add the field, the one that you're going to use. Maybe let me say if customer purchase this product, they will get the coupon code that you have 10% discount. So I update the product. Once done, let me just open this in a new tab here. Once you have done that, you see on single product page we have now this notice that notify the customer that this product has a referral coupon code if purchase. So the notice is there, so we just add the product to the cart. So once you've done that, we just include another one here which doesn't have a coupon code. So let me just add it to the cart. So let me view the cart and we proceed all the normal procedures of purchasing a product. Here we proceed now to checkout. Now here we have it. I have filled in the form. So one thing I just need to do is proceed and place the order. Once the order is done, now we have this coupon code. You see now is there Peter 10, and you see the customer have now will get 10% discount once they purchase the order. So on the function that we just added is that customer can be able to copy the coupon code on just clicking on that point, and coupon has been. So you see the coupon will be valid till July 9. Let's adjust the date here. So we have on line 100 number 15 here. Let me just adjust this to allow 7 days, and I save the changes. Let me just save changes here. Once changes has been done and we refresh the page here, you see now the date change. It just adds some days here, adjusted the days and just shows it just 11 days. So let's now adjust this now to this field here. Let me just show you how it has been done. So we come back here, and for default coupon code we add something like 5 and we update. Once that's done, we refresh our page here, and you see everything is very adjustable. And if you wish even to change the background for this notice here, you can just come here and adjust the CSS. You can change the color from red to black, bold, and all that. And that's the tutorial for today. I hope you did learn something out of this story. If you did learn something out of this story, hit the thumbs up. If you're new here, consider subscribing. Till next time.